Good morning, everyone. No, good morning.
Ma'am, you
Good
are in
morning.
mute.
Yeah, I was in mute. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, I need all of you to turn on your camera,
Good
guys. Come
morning.
on. Good morning, Sidra.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, turn your cameras on. Okay, yes, Sidra, Laser, Amila,
These are
Aya.
girls only, just boys.
So much. It's okay. They will come. Don't worry. Amila, yes. Aya. Amila, what happened to your uniform?
I forgot.
That is not an excuse. Go and change and come. I'll give you 2 minutes. Yes. How is everyone? Hiya, you didn't send me a logo for me. I have to submit it. Yesterday was the date actually. I
Ma'am, I do my logo.
Ma'am, I sent you my logo in your email.
you sent me the video yesterday. Solution.
And the logo I sent it in your email.
Can you resend it?
Okay.
Amala, you also can you send it? That would be great. Laser?
Yeah, I am not done with all. It will finish.
Don't.
Can you share it? Let's see. Are you doing the logo?
I will finish it and send it to you.
Ma'am, I didn't get the logo. I forgot.
You did it?
In
No. Sidra, you also have to participate for something. So many competitions are there. I didn't see your name in any of the competitions. I need everyone to participate in at least something. What are you going to participate in?
I don't know.
So, mini news reporters coming in the next week. Will you participate for that?
What?
Mini news reporter.
Ma'am, check again. I sent it.
Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'll upload it. Okay. See, Sidra, so many competitions are coming. You have to participate in at least something. The logo
Okay.
competition was due yesterday, but I'll accept the your results today also, and I'll upload it. I have to upload it to someone else. I'm not the one responsible. Okay. I'm just a
Okay.
messenger taking from here to there. So next week, November 12, we have mini news reporter. Apart from that, little shining star video making competition. Do you remember? Yesterday I told you about with the parents.
Chinese star.
Yeah, in that, either wearing a maize uniform or sports uniform. We have sports dresses, jerseys, tracks, right? You have to make a small reel in which you are actually, it's related to sports. You are having fun with your parents or playing or
Good
exercising or
morning,
doing
ma'am.
yoga. Good morning, Milan. Doing yoga with your parents. It's not
Ma'am,
compulsory. So you can make
ma'am,
fun.
in Dubai, we are going that. I am not there. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, are you talking about sports day?
Oh, ma'am, can I share my screen? I got a class, like a new class.
Yeah, okay, everyone, go to your classroom. There is remaining 2025. You have to accept that.
I already accept.
Good job,
Ma'am,
Milan. Thank you for
you are
reminding.
live.
Google Classroom. Our classroom is there where you get the assignments. Go to that. Accept daily
Where, ma'am?
2025. Aya, classroom there.
PY live.
Share your screen. Laser, did you get it? Sidra, Amila, did you get it?
What do you mean? No.
Okay,
One
good.
minute. Go to classroom.
Go to classroom.
I did go to classroom. You mean here?
Aya,
Yeah,
yes.
go to classroom. Click
Okay.
home.
Home.
Click
Go to
home.
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 Thank you, Milan.
Where is home?
Go to
Refresh.
scroll up. Scroll up.
Refresh. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
that. Click join. Join. Join.
Yes. Thank you, Milan. That's so great.
I have all of things, but I cannot see the join button.
Can you share your
Yeah,
screen?
Yeah, share your screen. Wait.
Ma'am, I don't have that thing. I
Share your
promise I
screen,
will
Amila.
do.
We are not saying that you are lying or nothing, but maybe let's see.
Can you add me?
I'll help you
Okay.
later. Share your
Today are we
screen.
gonna do something in Zenith
I
2025 or
already know
something?
how to
Yes.
join it, but
Go
it
to
is in
home,
add
Amila. Go to
me.
home page.
Ma'am, they did not add laser.
Refresh. Refresh.
Yes.
Is it science, English, what? What?
Okay. How about I add laser? Will that work? I think I have the. Oh, Jason, give me a second. Sounds good.
Okay.
Sidra, did you get the invite? Check please. I want everyone to join today.
Miss, I joined before.
You joined Zainab?
Yeah,
Okay.
like a long time ago.
Laser, laser, where is
I don't
your...
think I'm in got either.
Okay. And laser, now check. I think you got the invite.
When I request, but it's not yet. Look.
Laser, refresh and
Maybe
check.
you, maybe you
Okay.
won't add it. I think
Mhm.
that's
Laser, you
why.
have to refresh. I have sent the invite just now.
Is answer 2025.
Ma'am, you didn't add me too.
Amila,
Ma'am, I
refresh.
got added. I
Okay.
I
got
refreshed,
added,
Laser,
ma'am.
ma'am.
One
laser.
person at a time. One person at a time. Can you see that? You have an invite option. Refresh your screen once. Sidra, you also, you didn't join. Jayanit, you didn't join. I just
Ma'am,
sent
this
you an
is
invite now.
reload.
Yes, reload. Can you see that?
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, I reload, but it didn't come. And I
It's okay, just
do
join
one more
it.
time.
Just join it. Listen, did you get it now?
Yeah.
Did you join it? Amina, you have to click the join button.
We have
Yes.
to join the gent
Yes.
now. Now
No, no, you just have to join the classroom. Please
I
don't
did
join that.
join.
Ma'am,
Okay.
today we'll have to join this classroom.
Not now. We will tell you. Okay. Now, who else is there? We have to add Ishan, right? What is the full
Ishan,
name of
Joanne,
Ishan? What is the full name of Ishan?
Ishan.
ISHAN Ishan Pratik Raj or something.
Pratik Raj. Okay, let's see. I think he has already been given the invite. Joanne, okay, given who else? Tell me the names of everyone. Come on, people.
Joanne, Barira,
Giovanna Hoy.
Barira,
Barira,
yes. Okay, Barira has been
Jovan.
given. Joanne, okay.
Jovan.
Who else?
Ihan.
Ihan is there, yeah. Ihan has been sent invite. Then
Alfateh.
Alfati. Where is Alfati?
I don't know.
Who else? Anyone left?
Is he sad because yesterday he lost it?
Let's not talk about it, right? Maybe
Yeah.
yes, he's a bit sad because he takes competitions very seriously. And Haya, good job. You did
I
well.
only passed through the first level.
But
The
you passed the
second
first
level
level,
was
that
very
is,
hard.
I
Like,
know.
but I, with all those words in my head, like the first round words and the second round, I was like, what is the spelling of
Ma'am,
like what spelling?
participating for the spelling bee?
Almost yes, it is a good competition, right? We just have to participate. Getting or not getting is secondary.
I don't
Participating.
want to participate. I don't even not even got the worksheet.
The date is gone, dear. It was yesterday. We even send you a invite in classroom. Milan, please join for the competition. Do you remember? Also, the words were given in the group. So, yes, Samila. Number 12, we have a mini news reporter. Okay, everyone, please prepare. This was given name.
No, yesterday we had spelling bee.
Yesterday
November
we had
12th.
spelling. Number 12,
November
yes.
12th. I have fever.
Ma'am, November 12th we
Fever
have
day.
spelling bee again.
Not spelling bee, mini news reporter.
Yeah,
Our
I
second
think same
competition.
spelling bee.
Man,
November
Yes.
3rd is sports day too.
we need to write that in a paper, then read it.
No, not looking and reading. You have to prepare it so that you,
Like
it's like kind of
what?
you're acting. You're acting that you are a news reporter, and you're going to say, okay, this is the situation here. This is happening. So you have to take a small news article. How about those who are participating? Prepare a news article and come tomorrow, day after tomorrow. We will practice from here.
Can we look and read?
Okay, let's tomorrow.
Looking and reading means what is the use of competition? Right. You can also dress formally. Like we can dress formally on the competition day.
Putting on glasses just
Yes,
for fun.
that would be nice. Suit, glasses, it would be great. So do that, okay? We'll have fun. Sounds good? Yeah, many of you already have glasses. And ma'am is here, so I'll leave you off. Bye-bye, people. Have a good day.
See, you still
Bye,
sound like
ma'am.
that girl I showed you yesterday.
I know. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.